morning, Amit.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, Amit, in today's session, we will discuss connectors. As we know
Yes,
that
ma'am.
connectors play a vital role in communication because it makes your language sound more natural and interesting, right?
Yes, ma'am. And connectors convey our message very clearly
Absolutely, absolutely correct. Although many of us already know how to use them, but we often end up not using them naturally in our conversation, right? So today we will
because
talk. Hmm.
there are lots of connectors we generally avoid it while conversation, and we use simple like and, but, however, like this.
Of course, because we are not used to, right? Uh, that's why we don't use connectors because we are not used to, and for that it needs practice and practice. So today we will talk about
Hmm.
how we can
I
inculcate.
see eye to eye.
So we will talk about, or we will learn how we can inculcate the habit of using connectors in our day-to-day speech. Otherwise, we won't be able to, inculcate
Hmm.
this habit if you don't do practice. So,
Hmm.
first of all, I'll share a simple trick with you, and trust me, it really works. So, the trick is for 1 week, at least for 1 week, give yourself a small challenge. What kind of challenge? Like each day, deliberately and mindfully use connectors while speaking. If you are talking to your friends,
Hmm.
or even, sometimes if you don't have people around you, you can give topic to yourself. Pick any one topic, right? Pick a topic, talk about it, right? And then make sure you include a few connectors in your sentences. That too deliberately, right? Hmm. So when you do
Yes,
this,
ma'am. Certainly, I will do it.
so when you do this constantly for a week, for a whole week, right? You will slowly develop the habit of using them
Hmm.
effortlessly. So for a whole week, you need to decide that, okay, I will do it. And then next week also, of course, you need to do it. And then gradually you will realize that you have started using it, you know, effortlessly, because you will become used to of using connectors in your conversation, right? So that's how we can practice, and we can learn, or we can make our English, great. So now what are we going to do? You will be assigned
Sure.
a topic, right? And then you need to talk about that topic, and make sure while sharing or while talking
Hmm.
about that topic, you need to use some connectors, right? That's how we will practice our
Okay,
connectors.
ma'am. I will try my best.
So the topic is power of mindset. Power of
Oh,
mindset,
okay.
yes. So even you can take 1 minute of time, think, collect your thoughts, ideas, organize your thoughts, and then you can start, right? So once you are ready,
Okay, ma'am.
please let me know. We will start. Yeah, you can start.
So, power of mindset. What does it mean? Mindset is a switch button in our brain which determine us that either we use our brain in a positive way or or a negative way. Okay, so mindset, there are two types of mindset. Positive mindset, we generally say that is a growth mindset, and
Hmm.
second is negative mindset or a fixed mindset. So growth mindset always thinks creativity and thinks towards only your goals, avoid distractions,
Mm-hmm.
FOMO,
Mm-hmm.
and social anxieties. Whereas negative mindset is just a reciprocal of those things, such as we create a FOMO in how can I do this and that. social anxieties. If I start my anything new, so what society and people told me that to tell me, oh, this is not good and that. And let's suppose discuss on a positive mindset. So whenever you set a goal, so be positive always, and always somewhere around with your optimistic people. Because if your surround is a negative people or negative fixed mindset guys, always you are the average of those guys. And if you surround with a positive guys or optimistic guy, you always think, okay, they also supports me or positive things, I will also.
So I agree with you, and I see eye to eye with this statement, which you have just shared, that there are two types of mindset, of course, growth mindset and fixed mindset. Right? Growth mindset,
Yes.
a person who takes everything in a positive manner, and fixed mindset, a person who in a negative manner all the time. So you can say that that person has fixed mindset. Hmm. So now the power of mindset lies in how you see things. How you see things. A person with the right mindset doesn't see failure as the end. They see it as a lesson, right? If I go through some situations in my life, I would not, end up crying or just blaming others. Sometimes we blame, our fate, that, oh, like what kind of
Mm,
fate do I have? Or sometimes, we blame others as well for our failures. So instead, take it as a lesson that okay, so I am learning something from this particular situation or challenge, and definitely it will help me, right? I will apply this lesson in future,
mm,
right? And that's how you can change your mindset. So again, it
mm.
depends what kind of mindset do you have, right?
Yes, ma'am. I see eye to eye your point. Like let's suppose example of
Hmm.
two children who
Hmm.
complete their 12th class.
Hmm.
First, first has a first has a positive mindset. On the another hand,
Hmm.
uh, that another guy have a negative mindset. So if you see after 2 3 years or 5 years later, definitely you will recognize that who is has a positive mindset, who is a negative mindset. Because
Yes.
positive mindset guy
Hmm.
either we earn more or have a
Hmm.
good positions. On
Hmm.
the another hand, negative mindset guy do their low paying job, either we or unemployed guy.
Hmm. True, absolutely
So
true.
we
And yes, sorry to cut you short. Please, you can continue if you have something to share.
no, you can share.
Okay, so yeah, so we need to remember that challenges don't shape, our life. It is our response, that how we respond those challenges, right? So we need to train our mind to stay positive, to stay strong, and stay focused. Because once our mindset, shifts, everything in our life begins to change. Again, what happens if you have set a goal that okay, I want to achieve this particular thing, right? So you are ready with your roadmap, and the moment when you start, walking on that particular direction, of course you might face a lot of challenges, you might face denials, you might face failures. And now again, people having growth mindset, they will face all these things, but they will keep moving ahead,
Mm.
right? They will not stop
Always
there.
positive also.
Yeah, they will not stop there. They will not give up easily, because they know that okay, in terms of achieving my goal, I need to keep moving ahead no matter what happens, what kind of obstacle I go through, but I will keep moving, right? So then people having fixed mindset, of course, after facing a few difficulties, they will just give up. They would think that, oh, now it's not my cup of tea, it's so difficult for me. I have put a lot of efforts in terms of achieving my desired goal, but as it is not happening now, I think I need to change it, and they just give up. Now what happens, the person who has growth mindset will be able to achieve his or her goal. Sometimes it takes time, but of course, nobody can stop that person from achieving his or her goal, because that person has growth mindset and somewhere is aware that if we decide something, challenges are inevitable. That is the part of our life. We never get a smooth, you can say, direction. You can't say that, okay, if I have decided something, so without facing any challenge I will get that thing. No, it's impossible. And for that also you need to be mentally prepared. So that is called
And I have
positive
also,
growth mindset. Yes.
yeah, I have also seen that negative mindset guy
Hmm.
always change their goal
Hmm.
in a short period of time. Like such as like I will do this, and if he give up, oh no, it's a very hard thing. I will give up, and I
Hmm.
will start this one thing, and influenced by others. Like okay, he succeeded in this particular goal. I will also start this, but after a certain time period, a point of time period, he left that or he give up from that goal.
Hmm. Hmm.
Whereas positive mindset guys stick with one goal, stick with
Stick
one
with
goal
one goal.
for
Hmm.
a long period of time and
Hmm.
with resilience. What kind of changes in the he wants, like such as like if it is thing is hard, so he wants to try to change it in different way, so that they can achieve that goal very easily.
True, true. Absolutely agree with you. So yeah, that happens. So I think our life depends on our mindset, that what
Hmm.
kind of mindset do we have. Again, people having fixed mindset, they see only flaws. They are not able to see the qualities, right? Whereas people having growth mindset, they focus more on qualities rather than flaws.
Hmm.
They believe that if we find out, or whenever they meet somebody, they try to find out the qualities of that person, and they believe that we can learn something from that particular person, right? They believe in learning, they believe in growing, they believe in evolving from anyone, from anywhere. But people having fixed mindset, they believe in they always find, or try to find out the flaws. And if you focus on flaws of others, so definitely you won't be able to see the qualities of that particular person. And if you are not able to see the quality, how will you learn from that person? Nothing. You are that kind of person who has fixed mindset, and you are surrounded by these kind of people only. So of course it will never be changed, right? But
Hmm.
when you change your surroundings, right, you start surrounded by people having growth mindset. They have purpose in their lives, they have set some certain goals, they believe in learning. Of course, if you start spending time with them, gradually you will see your mindset also will be changed,
Hmm.
right? So that's why it is important. And second thing, self realization is very much important,
Hmm.
right? We don't actually, we have I think many flaws, and we need to understand, right? We need to introspect that what kind of personality do we have, what kind of mindset do we have. And once we are able to recognize it, just work upon it. So once you realize that there's something which is uh, you know hindering your growth, so you need to think that what is that particular thing. And then of course you will be, or eventually you will get to know that that is your mindset only. And then you need to know that if you need to grow, in terms of getting growth in your life, you need to change it. So just change it. And if you change your environment, if you change your surroundings, definitely sooner or later you will be able to change it. So somewhere down the
Yes.
line, I feel that people have this realization. People
Mm.
understand that, there's something wrong which is hindering your growth. What do you think?
Um, you have taken my words right out of my mouth. I also think like that. कि online or in an internet era,
Hmm.
people generally have a chance to
Hmm.
uh, have a chance or opportunity to come out from that uh, negative mindset.
Hmm.
But on the another hand, I have seen that people also indulge in this trap in
Hmm.
internet era, like such as like Instagram. They
People who are successful, in their lives, most of them were not, born with silver spoon. Right.
Hmm.
A few, I would say that years were privileged, but yes, many of them
Hmm.
were not born with a silver spoon. They struggled a lot, a lot, a lot. They faced failure, denials, but just because of their positive mindset, or you can say growth mindset, they were stick with their goal and kept moving ahead. And that's how they are successful now. You go to, or if you approach any successful person, so that person would give you some valuable suggestions based on his or her own experiences, right? And if we talk about fixed mindset people, so they give up easily, and that's the reason they
Hmm.
don't get success in their life, right? You will not see any change in their lifestyle even. it would be it would remain same throughout their life. And then in that situation, do you know what happens? They always blame, sometimes situations, that okay, situation was not in my favor. And
Hmm.
sometimes they curse their own destiny, that why I am not that much fortunate. And then jealousy would be there. So this is the difference, I feel. So again, it depends on us only, that if we have growth mindset, I think no matter what happens, we will be able to achieve our desired goal, whatever we want to achieve.
I see eye to on your point. Like success demand time, consistency, and the most important thing, accountability.
So therefore, I believe that we should have positive mindset, take everything in a positive manner. If you are going through,
Hmm.
hard time, so think that, take it as a lesson, that okay, I'm gonna learn something. And in future, if I encounter with the same situation, I'll be able to face it. I'll be able to overcome it. And it's not all about success, um you know related to your career only, but if you want to create, good relationship, if you want to maintain healthy relationships in your life, I think for that also growth mindset is very much required, very much required.
Hmm.
Because I think if you have growth mindset, you will not blame people. You will not try to find out their flaws. You will not just always pointing out at others, right? Growth mindset people don't do these kind of things. They don't find out flaws. They don't point out at others. They believe in learning. They try to find out positivity. They appreciate positivity, and they embrace challenges. So that's how they are able to maintain, healthy relationship.